Proverbs for see one I got better. Meadow, okay. Meadow is just meadow. Yeah, that's meadow. Okay, go to meadow. Okay. What's this? Peel.
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 Peel. Okay. Peel and apple. Okay, peel.
Metal.
Meadow.
Metal.
Meadow.
Metal.
Meadow. Okay. Yeah, just spelled. MEDAL, meadow. Okay, this is meadow. Okay, that's there are two words, okay? Then one is metal. Metal. This is meadow. Meadow. Okay, meadow is this, okay? Metal, yeah, this metal. That's a metal, okay? See? Metal. 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 Okay, it's like iron, copper, gold, okay? Metal. Yeah. Metal. 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 Okay, this is metal. Yeah, that's metal. This is metal. Yes, good. Metal, okay? And gold. Metal pops into balloons and a cake. Okay. Okay. See what setting inside the family car. Okay. Marcus and Jordan. Okay, let's read. Marcus and Jordan are in the back seat. Dad is driving and mom is in the passage seat. Okay, passage seat is the seat next to the driver. Okay, passage seat. Yeah, you see the driver seat here. The passenger seat is this one. Okay. Yeah, passenger seat. Driver seat, passenger seat. Okay, so mom sit here, dad sit there, the two boys sit. These are two boys, I forget the two kids sit there in the back seat. That's a back seat. Okay. Okay. Marcos whispering. Yeah. Is this feels a little strange. Good. Check. Jordan whispering back. What does? Okay. Marcos going to happy pizza. Okay, it's a store. Okay. I mean, I love happy pizza, but we go there all the time. I guess I thought we'd do something special to celebrate. He holds up his medal. Okay, this medal. Medal. It's not very every day you win a spelling bee. Okay, so that's why he won a spelling bee. That's why he get a medal. Okay. Sure. Jordan, what did you want us to do?
Marcos
shrugs.
shrugs. Dad, what are you boys talking about?
Okay.
Marcos to Dad, nothing. He whispers to Jordan.
Okay, who got the medal? Let me see who got the medal. Marcos got the medal. Marcos got the medal. Okay. Okay. Marcos, nothing. He
whispered to
Jordan.
Jordan, I don't want Mom and Dad to feel bad. Jordan, I don't see what the problem is. Happy pizza has an
Awesome is good. Okay.
Awesome pizza. Marcus shrugs again. Mom's phone rings on the car speaker, and she answers it. Mom, what's up?
Okay, she's talking to the phone. Camille
had to the speaker.
Okay, the audience can hear and Camille talking. Okay, so they heard through the speaker, the phone, the speaker in the car.
Hi, I was just wondering if I should. Mom talking over her in a loud voice. We are all in the car. We are driving. We are going to Happy Pizza. I will text you. Bye. Mom quickly hands the car and throws her up her hands.
So connect this. Okay, throw up her hands.
Dad laughs and rolls his eyes. Marcos, why are they acting so strange?
Okay.
Jordan looks out the window, a slight smile on his face.
Okay, let's go to scene 2.
Scene 2, setting the
dining
room for a Happy Pizza. Marcos, Jordan, Mom and Dad are the only people seated. Marcos, I think I saw Aunt Camille's car in the parking lot. Mom and Camille is at home. Marcos, but doesn't she have a purple P,
Peace.
peace.
Okay,
Peace.
peace means no war. Okay, peace stick.
Peace stick
Okay,
on the back of her car.
okay.
They had studied
Studying.
the music
You go to a restaurant. What do you see?
menu.
Good.
A lot of people have peace tickets stickers on their cars.
Travis. I think Travis is the waiter. Okay. Travis.
Approaching
Yeah.
the table.
Yeah. Walk to the table.
Hi, I am Travis, and I will be your server.
Good.
Marcos, what can I get you to drink? Marcos, looking confused. Water, please, Mom. Water for all of us. Thank you.
Okay. Travis
nods and walks off stage.
Good.
Marcos, how did he know my name? Mom,
Who?
Mom, who? Marcos, the waiter.
Good.
I have never see him before, but somehow he knows my name.
Jordan.
He didn't say your name. Marcus. He did. That boys don't argue.
Good.
Should we get a large pizza or an extra large?
Extra large is even bigger than the large pizza. Okay, the extra large is much bigger than the large. Okay, extra.
From off stage, a balloon floats into the dining room. Marcos' eyes widen.
You become wide.
But the others appear not to see it. Another balloon floats, and then another.
Okay.
Marcus, what is going on? Mom, trying not to laugh. What do you mean? A large group of children and uncles.
No, look here.
Children and
adults.
Children and adults comes running into the dining room, laughing and holding balloons at Camilla carrying a cake.
Yeah.
Is with them.
Okay, let's stop here.